Okay, hello. Let's continue question 4 now. For the A part, basically, you need to convert it into partial fraction. But the good thing is they already told us what form do they want. So it makes it a little easier. But conceptually, we can look at why this form is converted into this form. Why do we have an ax squared plus bx plus c here? Just very quickly, if we look, this is an improper fraction because you have higher power of x here, x raised to power 4, and a lower power of x on the bottom, x raised to power 2. So just like a number, this is an improper fraction. And if you divide, for example, if you have x raised to power 4, you want to divide it with x square, you have to you have to multiply with x square, get it x raised to power 4, and subtract. So which is basically you have a quotient of x square, means a quadratic function will be a quotient. So that's why you have a quadratic function first here. And then if there is any denominator, in this case, there isn't any denominator, but if there is any, not denominator, I mean the remainder, then the remainder will be the d divided by the divisor x plus 3 whole square. Okay. So that you can revise more in the partial fraction topic, how to convert them, but it's good that it's given already here, so makes the job easy. You can do 2x raised to power 4 cube. This has to be equated to this partial fraction form. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to multiply both sides with x plus 3 whole square. Okay, so that is going to give us a little lengthy, but again we need to write again 15x cube. Now ax squared times x plus 3 whole square. It's going to be like that. Every term on the right side multiply with x plus 3 whole square. So plus bx, x plus 3 whole square, plus c, c looks like a bracket, c, x plus 3, oh, so messy. Okay, plus d because this denominator is going to cancel. Now you know the technique to find this a, b, c, d. You need to assume some different numbers. You need to take some different values of x. First of all, you always take the opposite of the bracket. If it is 3, you take minus 3. If you take x is equal to minus 3, what does left side become? Left side, you put it in calculator, minus 3. Left side will become 5. What about the right side? This first term cancelled, second term cancelled, third term cancelled. It's only d left. So we have already found one constant, 5 is equal to d. Now another common number that you can assume is, always use simple small numbers. X is equal to 0 is very common to take. You put on the left side, you get minus 4. You put on the right side, this term gone, and this one will get you 9c, and d is already we have plus 5. So c is equal to minus 1. We have got c and d. Now how to find a and b? There is no number which can cancel both at one at a time. So just use 1 and minus 1. X is equal to 1. You can use x is equal to minus 1 you can use. When x is equal to 1, what does the left side become? You can put 1 on the left side, and you can use d and c values already found. Okay, so when you will simplify, what you get, an equation only in terms of a and b. 80 is equal to 16a plus 16b. Okay, just put x is equal to 1 and simplify for a and b. We get one equation. Similarly, when you put x is equal to minus 1 and simplify, use the value of c and d already, and x as minus 1 on the right side, you will get the equation minus 4 is equal to 4a minus 4b. So these two equations you can solve simultaneously. You can use calculator function, which I normally use to just very fast solve the simultaneous equation. That will give you a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. So all the letters are found. We can now move to integration part. Now we need to integrate this whole function. All right, for the b part. That's the use of partial fraction. It makes it easier to integrate or derivate. Okay. After using all the values of a, b, c, d, we need to integrate this function. Okay. So that's easy. Raise the power 1. It will become 3 cube and divide by that cube. So 2x cube over 3 plus 3x square over 2 minus x, and this is a little long step. You can assume this as up. You can assume, if you bring it up, you can write it as x plus 3 minus 2. If you bring it in the numerator, then you add 1 to the power. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and divide by that minus 1. So you will get minus 5 over x plus 3 raised to power minus 1. You can again bring it down, x plus 3. All right, plus c, the integration constant. So this is simple enough integration, I hope so. So that's it for the